Shut up and sit down.
So as many of you might know, I'm about to do another trike tour. I'm doing a 400-mile trike tour from Buffalo to Albany, New York, doing the entire length of the Erie Canal. I'm actually planning on shooting up into Canada the first day before doing the Erie Canal, which should be pretty cool. But there are a few things I need to do to my trike before I do that. One, I'm taking off the standard tires and I'm putting on those solid tennis tires. And I'm doing a couple of other things to it too. So to make that easier, I am building a work stand for my trike.
There's no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Well, why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling, and I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. You're honey like a finger in the beehive. The bees are buzzing in a tizzy fit, and they're stinging, but I'm singing like a fool, 'cause you're as sweet as a banana split. You're sticky like a hippie in the summer. You're like syrup in the slushy tray. And one touch of you and I will never leave, 'cause I believe I can't get away. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, darling, and I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. Hold on to me, and hand we'll follow. Hold on to me, as if you had a choice. I never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling, and I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. Vegan zombies like cauliflower, because it looks like brains. They can munch on it for hours. It never feels no pain. And though they never would complain, they know it doesn't taste the same as a lightly salted, juicy human brain. Temptation leads us all astray. The best can fall and lose their way. Even vegan zombies make mistakes. Vegan zombies like cauliflower, morning, noon, and night. Always sweet and never sour. It won't put up a fight. But sometimes in the summer heat, They crave the taste of human meat, and heaven knows we all deserve a treat. They head on down to Carytown, where the farmer's market can be found, and organic free-range humans do abound.
So here is the final trike stand. That is Plasti Dip on the top of there, and this is a piece of rubber that I glued on to give it extra friction on the back.